If you are over the age of 60, you have probably sat in a doctor's office and heard the three most discouraging words in medicine: bone on bone. You were told that your joint pain is just normal wear and tear, like the tread wearing off the tires of an old car. You were given a prescription for painkillers, told to sit down, rest, and wait until it gets bad enough to need surgery. But your body is not an old car. Your joints are living, breathing, biological tissue. And today, we are going to look at the exact mechanism of why your joints are actually hurting and the science of how you can naturally rebuild, nourish, and protect your cartilage without going under the knife. The biggest misconception about joint pain is that you simply wore out your cartilage from a lifetime of walking. That is only half the story. The real biological villain is starvation and inflammation. Inside your joints, you have something called synovial fluid. Think of this as the biological motor oil that keeps everything gliding smoothly. It also carries the vital nutrients that your cartilage needs to survive. But here's the critical catch. Cartilage does not have its own blood supply. Your cartilage functions exactly like a sponge. When you put weight on it, it squeezes old waste products out. When you take the weight off, it sucks the fresh, nutrient-rich synovial fluid back in. If your joints are in pain and you stop moving to protect them, that sponge dries up. Your cartilage literally begins to starve. The wear and tear happens not because you moved too much, but because the tissue became brittle and starved of nutrients. But here's the biological paradigm shift. Inside your cartilage are tiny worker cells called chondrocytes. Their entire job is to produce new cartilage. Even in your 60s, 70s, and 80s, these cells are still there. They're just dormant, waiting for the right signals to wake up and start repairing the damage. We just need to give them the mechanical and nutritional tools to do their job. Protocol number 1 is to pump the sponge. We need to force that synovial fluid back into the joint, but without causing sharp pain. You need non-load-bearing movement. Sitting on a stationary bike with low resistance or walking in a swimming pool allows the joint to articulate through its full range of motion. This literally pumps the nutrient-rich fluid into the starving cartilage without the heavy impact of concrete. Motion is lotion. Protocol number 2 is turning off the inflammatory enzymes. When a joint is inflamed, your body produces enzymes that actively eat away at your cartilage. You must shut this down nutritionally. High-quality omega-3 fatty acids, curcumin from turmeric, and eliminating processed sugars are not just healthy choices, they're biological fire extinguishers that stop those destructive enzymes in their tracks, allowing your worker cells to finally start rebuilding. Protocol number 3 is providing the raw materials. Your cartilage is made primarily of type 2 collagen. Supplying your body with a high-quality hydrolyzed collagen supplement paired with vitamin C, which acts as the biological catalyst, gives your dormant chondrocyte cells the exact bricks and mortar they need to patch the microscopic tears in your joints. Aging is inevitable, but living in chronic pain is not. Your body has an incredible, relentless desire to heal itself if you simply stop starving it and start nourishing it. I want to hear from you. Which joint is currently giving you the most trouble? Your knees, your hips, or your lower back? Let me know in the comments below, and I will tailor our next video to help you fix it. Stay active, keep moving, and I will see you in the next lab.